Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Word and saving a working copy, so changes are reversible. Then open Review and click Editor or Spelling and Grammar to start automated checks. This runs both spelling and grammar in one pass. Make sure your document language and writing style settings are correct, because rules vary by language and formality. Once done, Editor shows issues grouped by type. You will see suggested corrections and explanations, so you can accept, ignore, or refine each recommendation as you proceed. Now you move into the detailed review. Click each flagged item to see grammar explanations and alternative phrasing. This helps you learn why a change is proposed and avoid blind acceptance. Use the clarity and concision categories to tighten sentences, and punctuation flags to fix commas, semicolons, and em-dashes. Once you evaluate a suggestion, choose Accept to apply it, change to Edit manually, or ignore if the rule doesn't fit context. Make sure to scan the whole document so style remains consistent. Finish by doing a final pass. Use Read Aloud to catch awkward rhythm and track changes to review edits. This lets you hear phrasing mistakes that automated checks miss. If Editor flags irrelevant items or misses technical terms, add those words to the custom dictionary or adjust proofing options to refine accuracy. If grammar tools behave erratically, make sure word updates are installed. Clear proofing caches or reinstall proofing tools. One troubleshooting tip: switch language off and on again for stubborn region-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.